Here students, before starting this lesson, I would like to explain the summary of this lesson. Actually, it will help you to understand the whole lesson. So here students, we will move about towards the story of this lesson. Here students, it is a story of a Rikki Tikki and Nag. Rikki Tikki and Nag is a story of a mongoose that was moved by a British family in India, that was raised by a British family in India, which was living in India. This family adopts him when he is separated from his own in the floods. Yes, students, British family has adopted. Here, the British family has taken to a mongoose when he is separated from his own in the floods. Yes, students, what happened? One day, a mongoose who was in danger, who was in a flood, his life which was in danger. Here, the British family has come front to save his life, and here a mongoose who was saved by British family from the flood. Rikki Tikki overhears the snake and Nag and Nagina plotting to kill the family. Here, students, the British family has a bungalow, and this bungalow has garden, and in the garden there was Nag and Nagina. There were snakes. There were snakes, Nag and Nagina, and these Nag and Nagina were to kill this British family. And here a mongoose whose life which was saved by the British family. Here a mongoose who promised to the British family that I will protect you from snakes, Nag and Nagina. And here students, he swears that I will kill Nag and Nagina in the garden and will save the life of British family. And here students, one day what happened? Rikki Tikki overhears the snake and Nag and Nagina. They were making plan to kill the family. And here students, a mongoose who destroys their plants and ensure they are killed. And in this way students, a mongoose who keeps his human family, here students, keeping his human family safe and proving his love and gratitude to him. Yes students, the British family's life. Here a mongoose who saves British family's life from Nag and Nagina. In this way students, we come to know, we understand the main theme of this story of this lesson is that bonds of friendship and family. Here students, a mongoose, a animal who has performed his duty very honestly for British family, and here he has saved British family's life from Nag and Nagina. Rikki Tikki Tavi is a short story in a Jungle Book written by Rudyard Kipling. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a baby mongoose who was washed away in a flood. Washed means what here? Flown, we can say. Flown away in a flood. He was taken in by Teddy and his parents, a British family residing in India. Residing means what here? Living in India. A British family which was living in India at that time. Here a baby mongoose who swears, here a baby mongoose swears to save his foster family. Foster family means what here, students? Here foster family means what? The family which take cares a lot, and here a British family which was taking care a lot of a baby mongoose at that time. And here students, a baby mongoose who swears to save his foster family from dangers that snakes like Kerat, Nagina and Nag posed. Students, here a British family has killed a Kerat, a snakes of Nagina and Nag. Here a Kerat who was a baby snake of Nagina and Nag at that time. And students, Nag and Nagina, they have to take the revenge, and that's why here Nag and Nagina, they are going to attack on the British family. But here students, a baby mongoose who actually protest, who actually here saves the life of British family here. So it is a very short story of Rikki Tikki, actually, who plays a very vital role, who protects the British family, who protects a human, we can say human being, okay, in this story. So right now we will see this story here. Rikki Tikki went off for his nightly walk round the house, and in the dark he ran into Chuchundra the masquerade, creeping around by the wall. Chuchundra is a broken-hearted little beast. He whispers and cheeps all night, trying to make up his mind to run into the middle of the room, but he never gets there. "Don't kill me," said Chuchundra, almost weeping. "Rikki Tikki, don't kill me. Do you think a snake killer kills masquerades?" said Rikki Tikki scornfully. "Those who kill snakes get killed by snakes," said Chuchundra, more sorrowful than ever. "And how can I be sure that Nag won't mistake me for you some dark night?" Rikki Tikki went off for his nightly walk around the house, and in the dark he ran into Chuchundra the masquerade, creeping around by the wall. Here students, Rikki Tikki, who went to his nightly walking around the house. Actually students, mongoose who has a habit to walk around the house. Actually students, the main purpose to walk here, that to save the British family life from Nag and Nagina, that snakes. As well students, is there any problem? Is there any problem around us? So for that purpose also he has to walk at night, okay, around the house. And what happened students here? Suddenly Rikki Tikki, who saw in the dark that Chuchundra, who was running here and there, the masquerade, Chuchundra here, a kind of masquerade, we can say here, a rat like animal with thick brown fur. And here students, masquerade Chuchundra, who was running here and there, who was creeping around by the wall in order to search safe place for him, because it was danger outside, it was very danger in the garden, and that's why he was creeping around by the wall in order to save his life, in order to save from others animals. Here students, you can see the communications discussion between Chuchundra and baby mongoose Rikki Tikki. Chuchundra is a broken-hearted little beast. Beast means for students animal here. Here Chuchundra is a very sorrowful animal, very upset animal here, we can say. He whispers and chirps all night, trying to make up his mind to run into the middle of the room, but he never gets there. Here, students, Chuchundra who whispers. Whispers means what? Makes small sounds of pain and fear. Here, Chuchundra who creates sounds. And how the sound? Sound is like pain and fear all the night. Actually, students, here, Chuchundra who is in the position to go in the middle of the room. But here, students, there is a baby mongoose. And only because of baby mongoose, he is not able to go in the middle of the room. Here, students, he makes up his mind to run in the middle of the room, because in the outside it is very danger. It is very danger, and that's why Chuchundra actually he has to go in the middle of the room, but he cannot go in the middle of the room. Why? Because there is a baby mongoose, and baby mongoose who will not allow him to go in the middle of the room here. And but he never gets there. It means what? He never gets means what? Here, baby mongoose who doesn't allow him to go in the middle of the room here. Don't kill me, said Chuchundra, almost weeping. Rikki tikki, don't kill me. Here, students, Chuchundra who is requesting to Rikki tikki that don't kill me. Here Chuchundra almost weeping before Rikki tikki by saying that don't kill me, Rikki tikki. And here Rikki tikki replies, gives answer. Do you think a snake killer kills muskrats? Said Rikki tikki scornfully. And here Rikki tikki replies that I am a snake killer. How I will kill you? How I will kill you, Chuchundra? So I will not kill muskrats. I am a snake killer. So here, students, Rikki tikki who insults to Chuchundra here. You can see, okay, you can see in the picture, students, the communication, discussion between Chuchundra and Rikki tikki. And after, students, Chuchundra also gives answer. Those who kill snakes get killed by snakes. Of course, those who kill snakes, of course, they will be also killed by snakes one day. Okay, one day will come and he or she will be also killed by snakes. It means what? Chuchundra has to say that you have more ego. Okay, you have more ego, and one day will come you are a snake killer, and definitely a snake killer also killed by snakes. So here Chuchundra says that Rikki tikki, don't be a overconfidence. Don't be overconfidence. They will come and snakes can also kill you. And how can I be sure that Nag won't mistake me for you some dark night? And here, students, Chuchundra who says to Rikki tikki that it is dark night. It is dark night, and how can I be sure that Nag won't mistake? Here, after all, snake is snake. Okay, and it is dark night, and in the dark night, the snake can also attack on you. So you must be very cautious about that. You must be very alert about that. In this way, students, we will stop here. I hope that you have understood today's part, and the rest of the part of these lessons we will see in the next videos. Thank you very much, my dear students.